Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are doing typical Indian dolls. These dolls you will get in the market, Indian market. They are not the stylish ones, they are the typical Indian hand woven dolls. So let's start. They are even called Katputlis. We have already done Katputli wala drawing, but this is typical of her. So we are making two. One we'll be making a Sardar and one we'll be making a girl, a Sardarni in fact. So you just have to make two andas. First let's go with the Sardar. So this is the way you do your what you call the circle, the face. After that, this is the lips, children. Lips are peculiar because it's a kapda and it is just painted. Okay, after this we have the moustache of the Sardarji, and then the dadi, and then the dadi goes up, and here it comes down. So this is the dadi of the Sardar. After that there is no nose as such. Then we have the two circular eyes, and these circular eyes are also very peculiar. They are having a curve and a naragundu inside with few eyelashes this side and few eyelashes this side. These are all painted on cloth, so they are very peculiar. I am making it exactly as it is actually there in the market. Now we have, this is the hair part, and then we have the pagdi. So the pagdi goes from here, it goes up here, from here it comes down here, and then we have the typical going up, the typical part going up with the borders. You know, this is made with cloth, the chunari part of a lady, and then this crosses each other and we have the typical pagadi up. Okay, so this is the Sardarji. Now the Sardarji is wearing a jacket, so he has to come like that down, and this will be his jacket with the gota patti. You all understand what is a gota patti? I hope you all understand. This is a typical gota patti, and then this feta is coming down like that. The turban part is coming down like that. So we have to rub few parts, which we will do that. Okay, and then we have the hands, a typical hand just to make a U, and a typical hand here with the U. Then we have the kurta, and the dhotar part is very short. So the dhotar is ZZZ, go up, go up. Okay, and this is the dhotar. So this is the Sardar Katputli or the Sardar doll. Okay, now we have to make the Sardarni doll. So to make the Sardarni doll, what we do is, again we make a circular face. Okay, we make the circular face, then we put the lips. The lips is just a dash with cute dots here. Now we don't have the nose here. Again we have only the eye part. Okay, even she is looking there, so this will be ulta C with a naragundu, few eyelashes here, few eyelashes here, painted on a skin color top. You know, it is a cloth. I'll show you. If this is the cloth, they stuff cotton inside, and then, oh, I should be in frame, and then they just do this and then they paint on it. Now this is checked, but theirs is plain skin color. Now she has a typical mangatikka here, and her hair flowing like that. After that we have the chunari, but before doing the chunari, let's make her earrings. It's a typical jhumka. Okay, then we have the hair part here with the chunari. Now chunari I will do after I make her koti. Now the girl wears a koti. Okay, so it's not a jacket, it's a koti with the gota work done on the corners. Okay, and then her hand will slide down, and she'll have a typical sunnari. So she should look like a Sardarni. Okay, and then we have her kurta. Now the kurta of Sardarni, and then we have even like Sardars, even Sardarnis wear dhotar. So this is the dhotar of Sardarni. Okay, these are typical Indian dolls of Sardar and Sardarni. Now अभी सरदार और सरदारनी अगर डांस करने जा रहे तो कैसे वो कपड़ा लेते हैं ना, तो वो कपड़ा हम इधर भी बना ही देते, दोनों हाथों में होता है ना, वो डांस करते हैं तो टिपिकली कपड़ा होता है उनका. So they do this way and then they have that zigzag with which they dance. So this is the typical dolls of Indian, and then we will have her choti flowing from behind. Now this is her hair, correct? Okay, and she will have a parandi and her choti flowing down with a parandi or without a parandi. So there I have done this part for you, and I hope you make it and then post it in Canvas and Scissors group on FB. Okay, so first what we'll do, we'll border the entire thing and we'll do the hair black. Okay, so this is the hair part which is black. We need to border each and everything. So let's get started. It's a easy drawing, children. Please do make it. Dhairya has given me a very simple drawing to be done. I thought I was getting scared. अरे बाप रे, धैर्य क्या देगा और मेरे से बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा. I was a little scared, but then so this is a typical choti. Okay. Hey children, my community क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पेज बोलते हैं कि क्या बोलते हैं, I don't know, some community thing has opened. It has opened for me and I keep on posting my old videos there. So in case you'll want to have you'll want to make something from the old videos, you'll are welcomed, because I'll be keeping that occupied with my Tejaswi post and my old videos I can share there. I cannot do that again on YouTube, and children who have missed it can start looking at those videos and making them. Okay, but the ones which will be eligible for the competition will be the latest ones, children, so don't get confused. कम्युनिटी पेज है कि कम्युनिटी पता नहीं क्या है, मेरे को तो समझा ही नहीं पहले. आई गॉट अ मेल फ्रॉम यूट्यूब सेइंग दैट इट हैज़ बीन अनलॉक्ड, द कम्युनिटी, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज़, इट हैज़ गॉट अनलॉक्ड फॉर यू, एंड आई सेड व्हाट इट इज़. सो it is like an FB page, like where we can put the post. So you know, I keep on posting my Tejaswi, so I'll be posting it there too. My small little Tejaswi, she's my creator. So this is the red dupatta. अच्छा ये रह गया. Typical Indian dolls. अभी है ना, ये एक्चुअली बहुत छोटा पार्ट है. It is better I do it with a पतला one. Otherwise I'll make them भूत, फिर तुम लोग ही डर जाओगे. सो लेट मी टेक अ स्केच पेन, अ छोटा सा पतला सा स्केच पेन, एंड लेट मी डू दैट. सो द आईब्रोज, these are the voice. ऐ चलेगा. So children, again I'll be गायब for 2 days. Okay, cherry blossom I might do and then I'll get गायब. और जो मेरे को कोरोना वायरस के थैंक्स गिविंग टू द वॉरियर्स लिख रहा है, वो भी बनाने का है, लेकिन I'll be गायब for some days. So if you can excuse me for that, it's okay, please do that. It's December time ना, festive time, and ठंडी ठंडी का मौसम है, तो थोड़ा थोड़ा गायब होना अच्छा लगता है. थोड़ा सा गायब होना अच्छा लगता है. So let us start with the skin color. So let us do the skin parts first. So I'll do the sardarni first. It's a simple no shading part in this sardarni. Here, okay. Now here, एक तो मेरे सारे कलर्स टूट के इतने भूंकस हो गए हैं ना, that I need to okay. So the faces and the hands are done. Now I'll take the typical red color or for the dupatta of the sardarni. Okay, this sardarni ka dupatta shall be red. I'm not doing any designs, children, because I wish that my Nanna Munnas can also make it. So no complicated work. I did a very complicated work last, I think so you all know this. This one was little complicated, this one is simple, so that all my Nanna Munna Kalakars can do it. So the red work is done. I am taking my darker orange or the scarlet orange and doing the skirt or the dhotar of my sardarni. ओके, तो ये धोतर हो गई. अभी हम लोग येलो कलर लेते हैं. येलो इज़ अ वेरी ब्राइट कलर. ओके, बट बिफोर डूइंग दैट लेट मी मेक अ फ्यू डिज़ाइंस, few dotted designs on her jacket. I'm doing this with a red marker, children, then I'll be coloring it yellow. Similarly इधर हम लोग दूसरा काम करते हैं, ऐसे नहीं करते. अभी मैंने ये येलो लिया है तो इसकी ज्वेलरी को येलो कर देंगे. उफ, ठीक है, इसकी ज्वेलरी हो गई, थी गई येलो. अभी इसका जैकेट का पार्ट को भी येलो कर देंगे. और जैकेट के बाहर का गोटा पार्ट इज एक्चुअली गोल्डन, बट सिंस वी डू नॉट हैव गोल्डन, वील डू इट रेड. ओके, so this will be red and it will be matching with her dupatta, and her dress is blue in the picture, so let's make it blue. मैं बहुत करीब थी गई हूँ, देखो इतना चीचू सा ब्लू है. ये ब्लू भी है, ये ब्लू भी है, पर मैं ये ब्लू कर देती हूँ. थोड़ी सी शेडिंग कर देते हैं, चलेगा क्या बच्चा पलटी? जाना गला ही खराब हो जाता है. Actually, when Dhairya you told me, I had searched many Katputlis with hands and all, which I was about to make. Could you send me this picture? तो मैं बनाने में आसानी हो जाती है ना, फिर टेंशन नहीं होती. So I'm shading it with light blue and dark blue, children. So even y'all can do that. It will look pretty. It's not a very big deal of shading. It's a minute work of shading. एक तो मेरा कलर इतना पिद्दू सा है ना. So this is done, the shading part. Let me smudge it. Actually, I've got hurt in my hands. Okay, so this is done. Now this dupatta, और जिससे डांस करते हैं, so they are all set to dance and rock the floor. My सरदारनी एंड सरदार. और उसकी लिपस्टिक को भी रेड कर देते हैं, ठीक है. अभी जो भी ये ऐसा पार्ट है ना जो स्मजिंग में चला गया है, उसको हम लोग वापस ऐसे ब्लैक चारकोल पेंसिल से करके फिर वील पोस्ट इट. ओके, वील नॉट पोस्ट इट बिफोर दैट. ऐसे ऐसे. एंड इवन दीज फ्लावर्स वो येलो से थोड़े बहुत हो जाता है, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो एंड यस, वील पुट हर. दिख रहा ही नहीं है, इट इज गॉन बैड. नेवर माइंड. सो आवर सरदारनी इज ऑल सेट रेडी. अभी ये जो सरदार जी का फेटा है उसको भी हम लोग येलो एंड रेड करेंगे. वी डोंट हैव गोल्डन चिल्ड्रन. एक्चुअली द गोटा पट्टी इज गोल्डन इन कलर. Even if you have golden color, please don't use it because it's a mess. Please don't use that goldens. And then you do this yellow. Okay, so this much is done. Yes, this is also yellow. After that we will make his jacket yellow and yellow. This will also be yellow and yellow. अभी जैकेट के ऊपर हम लोग हिरवा कलर डाल देते हैं. हिरवा, डार्क कलर हिरवा होगा तो मज़ा आ जाएगा, लेकिन मैं कभी डार्क कलर हिरवा नहीं मिल रहा तो मैंने थोड़ा सा लाइट कलर हिरवा ले लिया है. ठीक है, हमने हिरवा कर दिया उसका जैकेट. अभी ये भी गोटा है. अभी ना गोटा इज गोल्डन. आई डोंट हैव एनी गोल्डन. एंड अभी मेरे को स्क्रेपर तो मिलने नहीं वाला है. दिस इज ऑलवेज पिक्यूलियर ऑफ द नो आंटी. आई विल नेवर गेट. एंड आई डोंट हैव नेल्स. आई हैव नेल्स इन माई उल्टा हैंड. आई जस्ट डू फ्यू लकीरा वर्क. ओके, आई एम नॉट डूइंग मच ऑफ वर्क ओवर हियर because I'm using my left hand. Okay, so I did a little bit of work here. Now, okay, if I have rose pink, yes, I have rose pink. अभी इसका जो वो है फट्टा, ये गोटा पट्टी, उसको हम लोग रेड कर देते हैं. रेड करने के बाद वापस से हम थोड़ा सा इसमें येलो झालर मिला देंगे so that it looks pretty. Okay, now I'm using my rose pink color, children, for the कुर्ता. हमारे पाजी का कुर्ता रोज पिंक कलर का है. And no more Katputlis now. ओए, हाथ तो रह गया. So dun 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 dun. और फिर हम लोग इसका इधर से मैचिंग करने के लिए इसका हम लोग ये क्या बोलते धोतर ब्लू कर देते हैं. See, I'm not doing anything imaginary. Somebody had sent me, Dhairya had sent me the picture and I have just copied it. That's it. Easy work for me and one of my videos is ready. Now props. Okay, now I don't have yellow patti wala pencil. What I will do is I will try and do it with my sketch marker pen only. The double work which you need to do. I had not done this before, but soon I realized that I've done red color and red के साथ ये दिखेगा नहीं. So okay, उसके मुझी को हमको ज़्यादा ताव देना पड़ेगा. ये हमारे सरदार जी हैं, नहीं तो गुस्सा हो जाएंगे. So our dolls are ready, children. Now what we need to do is I'll just keep this small colors aside, and what we will do is make a colorful background for them. So I don't have my watercolors today, so I'm using my poster colors in a similar manner of how I use my watercolors. You will see and understand how I do that. So I always start with yellows. See, can you see this yellow part? Yes, it is the same way you do your yellow. Is a very bright color. Now I'm shutting this. I might use it later on, but let's see. Okay, after that I will wash my brush and use green. Greens are there, oranges are there. Okay, so I have green in my brush. I'm using this green. See, it is a water-based color, so very lightly you're supposed to use it. Okay, I've used a lot of green, so I'm not doing it here. If I feel, I might use it. If I don't feel, I will not. Now I'm using my blue color, cobalt blue color. So, all set. Oish! It's such a dark color. अभी इतना ही काफ़ी हो गया यार. ये क्या हो गया? ये क्या हो गया? So I'm using a little blue here because I have already had it in my brush. A little darker shade this side, but I will not spread it much. I'll go in with my yellows then. Okay. So this is the way you do it. I shall take my orange now. No, orange will look good or yellow will look good. Okay, I'll take a little bit of mustard. You're understanding what is mustard color? Mustard color is nothing but the buff color, children. So I'm using this buff color. See the two difference in the yellow shades. Okay, and I'm just trying to. Now I cannot use these two colors ke beech mein the same yellow continued. So I might use either green. Yeah, I think so. Green would be more preferred. As it is, I have used a good amount of reds inside. So even if we don't use reds and oranges, it's okay. So green is done here. Okay, I'm doing a little bit of green because there is a lot of green in my brush. Now, okay, let me use orange here. Or should I use blue? Because we haven't used any flory color except for yellow. So I'll use my blues here so that there is a. I haven't used red and orange anywhere else, so I'm not going to use it. Now blue, yes. मेरे को लगा बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया ना, फिर वापस से प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. So this is a very light shade of blue which I've given. नहीं, light shade is not looking that good, so I might take a little more. So now. Ooh, see how the flower flows. Don't enter my Sardarji. I'll get angry with you if you do this. Don't enter my Sardarji. So, my Sardar and Sardarji doll. Am I in frame? Yes, I am in frame. So my Katputlis or my dolls are all set to rock the floor with their balle balle. Now quickly Tanu auntie is going to tie knots here and on their face, and I'm going to do the Katputli dance. So bye till then. Have a nice day. No, have a nice night. Have a mosquito bite. Good night.